In this video, we're going to look at some of the properties of logs. And so we have these properties here, and these help us to deal with when we're adding two logs together, how we simplify that to a single log. If we're subtracting one log minus another log, we can simplify that to a single log. Or if we have a number in front of a log. And so in terms of when you type something in on your calculator, say that you type in log 2, you might wonder, well, what does this actually mean? And so if we thought about, well, if we use X for what that might mean, now, whenever you type log anything on your calculator, it automatically uses a base of 10. It's just the standard. It's like an invisible 10 when you type it in on the calculator. It works with a base of 10. And so if we think back to the moving between log and index form, this would be, well, changing to index form, we would have 10 to the power of x equals 2. And in terms of what we actually get, when I type in log 2, I end up with something like 0.301, etc. It fills out the screen of my calculator. It goes to a number of decimal places. Well, essentially, when I type log 2 in my calculator, it gives me the value that if I went 10 to the power of that value, that is the power I would need on 10 in order to get 2. So that's just an aside in terms of what that actually means. Now, if I'm going to simplify this one, we'll go through these now. We've got log 4 plus log 3. When we're adding two different logs, we can get the answer by multiplying the numbers, which log 4 times 3 is going to be log 12. The second one, we're subtracting this time. So when we're subtracting with logs, log A take away log B, we can combine to a single log by doing log of A, so 24 over the B value, which 24 divided by 6 would be log 4. This one here, we've got a number in front this time, and we can simplify it down to a single log, get rid of the number in front by making it a power on the A there. And so the 2 there is going to become a power of 8. So that's going to go log 8 to the power of 2, which is going to be log 64. Now here we've got a few that we're trying to deal with, and starting and working from left to right here, log 72 take away 3 log 2. Now we can't actually do that straight away. We can't add or subtract things together if we have a number in front of the log. And so we need to start and we need to deal with this, and we need to write 3 log 2 as a single log. And what we're going to do there, using our third log rule, this is going to become log of 2 to the power of 3, which will become 8. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And so we've got this now. And now, so log 72, take away log 8. Well, 72 divided by 8 is going to be 9. So we're going to have log 9 from these first two parts, and we've still got the log 3. And then when we do 9 times 3, we get log 27. And so we can deal with situations where we're dealing with letters here instead. The same process still applies. In order to add these together, we've got to get rid of the number in front of log, and we do that by making it a power on the number inside. So that's going to become log b squared. And then when we're adding logs, that's the same. We can combine to a single log by multiplying these terms together. So that would be log a b squared. And so that would be the single log for that there.